about a bunch of different properties of triangles. First one we've actually already talked about. It's called the triangle sum theorem. It's talking about the interior angles of triangles and that they add up to 180. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So those interior angles I'm talking about are inside the triangle. We're going to be talking about exterior angles also, so it's important that you understand the difference between interior and exterior. Really easy justification for that. So we have this triangle here. If you extend that bottom side and then you create a parallel line, these two lines are parallel, you could see that this forms a straight line. We're calling those angles A, B, and C. Angle C is a part of the triangle. Angle A is an alternate interior angle to an angle that's inside the triangle. Angle B is also an alternate interior angle to an angle that's inside the triangle. So these three angles that form that straight line are congruent to the three angles inside that triangle. So just by setting up that second parallel line, you can see that that has to be the same as the three interior angles, meaning it has to be 180 degrees. All right, so mostly we're just going to be dealing with the problem solving in here. So we're trying to find angle 1. These marks mean that these two are congruent, so this is also 47. So 47 plus 47 plus angle 1, the measure of angle 1, adds up to 180 degrees. So that's 94, plus I'm just going to substitute an x there. So angle 1 is 86 degrees. On the second one, we're going to set up an equation there. We know that this is a 90-degree angle because it's a right angle. So these two, that and that together, have to be the remaining 90. So you could say that plus 90 equals 180, or simply 3x plus 1 plus 2x plus 4 equals 90. We know it's the remaining 90. I'm going to combine like terms, get 5x plus 5 equals 90. So 5x equals 85, and x is 17. Last one, we have another isosceles triangle. That's what it's called when we have two angles that are the same. It means two of these sides have to be the same. These two sides have to be congruent because the base angles are congruent. That's called an isosceles triangle. So we know that those three are going to add up to this one, and this one. Those three are going to add up to 180. So I'm going to set up a big equation here. 3x plus 1 plus another 3x plus 1 plus 2x plus 6 equals 180. I'm going to combine like terms, get 8x plus 8 equals 180. So 172. Oops, I put plus 1 instead of minus 1. Sorry, I was realizing that 172 is not divisible by 8. So that's really going to give us plus 4, changing that to 176, which is divisible by 8. That's 22. So x equals 22. All right, the three angles of a triangle add up to 180.